Hey class, this is part 7. I know I said in the previous part it was part 6. That was part 5. That was actually part 6. This is part 7, okay? We already went through an example of finding the part. Now we're going to go through an example of finding the total, okay? I'm going to go ahead and erase this from part 6. This was from part 6. We are on part 7, okay? All right. All right, so this example is 30 is 60% of what number? 30 is 60% of what number? Let's write the percent equation or percent proportion down. That's what we always got to write on our paper or on our screen, right? Part over total equals, let me write this a little better, equals percent over 100. Part over total equals percent over 100. That's our percent equation. Now, we have to establish what we have here, right? 30 is 60% of what number? Now, we know we have the percent. We see it there, the percent symbol's there. We have that. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Let me rewrite my equal sign and fraction lines. Let's do that. What is our percent? What is our percent? 60, very good. 60 is our percent. Now, we know the number 100, it's 100. That's it, right? We're good. Now, this is the part we got to understand. Previously, we were looking for the part. Now we have the part. 30 is 60% of what total, right? So this is the part. This is the part. Over here, we're looking for the total. That means we don't know the total. We know the part. What is the part? 30. What is the total? Do we know it? No. And when we don't know something, what do we put there? Variable, right? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the X there. All right. So we don't know the total. Now we have to solve this proportion to figure out what the total is. Let's do that. So we're going to start with the variable. 60 times x. I'm going to write it over here. We get 60x. Equal sign comes straight down, right? If it was right here, it'd be right there. Then we're going to do 30 times 100. Remember, that's our quick mental math trick. 3 times 1. 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we have our one-step equation. 60x equals 3,000. What's happening between the 60 and the x? Multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. We're going to divide both sides by 60. Whatever you do left, you have to do the right. 60 divided by 60. 1. 1 times x. We get x. Equal sign comes down. Now, remember, we got zeros on the outside. We can cross them out. As long as there's one in the numerator, one in the denominator. Now, one thing we can do here is a little quick mental math trick also is cover up a 0. We still have it there, but what's 30 divided by 6? What's 30 divided by 6 only? 5, right? And how many zeros did I cover up in the numerator? 1. So there's our answer. There is our total. All right, let me write that a little better. Okay, our total was 50. So 30 is 60% of 50, okay? So again, 30 is 60%, which is more than half, right? And that makes sense because 30 is more than half of 50, right? Half of 50 is what? What's half of 50? Half of 50 is 25, but we're looking for 60%, the 60%, right? We know that 60% is a little bit more than 25, which is 30. And then again, the total, we found it to be, by solving our proportion, we found it to be 50, all right? So again, this is one scenario that we're dealing with. We're finding the total here. The first scenario is finding the part. This one's finding the total. Next scenario, we'll be finding the percent. All right? Thanks for watching.